Today I'm going to share some information with you regarding a garden that I'm completing. My wife and I moved to this property last year, and the area right in front of me here, you can see the stakes as a garden. It's going to be 30 feet wide and 50 feet long, so about 1,500 square feet. And this area has never had a garden before, so I'm going to have someone come and till the area up very shortly with a tractor. And then once it's tilled, I have a tiller that I will use to break it up more fine. And I will also be adding compost to this. I'm not planning on using any commercial fertilizer at all. So I'm going to keep it as organic as possible. But it's in a nice wide open area that will receive plenty of sunshine. And my goal also is to install what's called a 3D fence, and the fence will be used to keep deer out, and it will be electrified. There are going to be basically two fences. There's going to be a wire on the outside, about maybe 12 to 18 inches high, and then the internal fence will have, again, two wires, one 12 to 18 inches high, and then another one probably about 28 to 30 inches high. And those types of 3D fences have been really effective with keeping deer out. And I'm going to try that this year for the first time to see how it all works out. Also, as you probably could see in the video here, I have a couple of beehives, and these are not operating right now. There are no bees in these hives. I will be getting bees around the first part of May, and I'm going to establish 3 hives, and they're just in a temporary location. Once I receive my nukes, I'm going to be placing the nukes farther down the hill here, away from the garden just a little bit. But I have 2 nukes already ordered, and then third person has indicated that they will assist me in providing that third nuke. So I'm going to have 3 hives set up coming in just a few weeks. And so I have 2 complete hives, and the third hive I've had to order some parts from the internet. So I'm waiting on those to arrive, and I expect them to arrive sometime this week. And once they arrive, I will be assembling those and getting everything set up to start working with the bees in April to hopefully produce some honey this year. So I'm really excited about that opportunity, but also extremely excited about the garden. As I said, the garden we've never had a garden here before. This is the first time, and so I have to do a lot of work to get everything set up this year, with getting it tilled and then setting up the fencing, adding compost, and doing tillage. And my plan also is to use some type of ground cover here, and hopefully that will assist with weed control. And I do have a source of water here right behind me with the building. There's a faucet on the side, and so I don't have that long of a distance to run down here to the garden for watering. But anyway, I will be putting out more videos on the garden and also the bees. I'll be putting out regular videos on that, so stay tuned for future updates.